Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a Squarespace free trial so you can explore their powerful design tools with zero commitment. This is a great option if you want to test ideas, compare platforms, or even prototype a site before investing any money. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your own hands-on test site up and running, and you'll know how to make the most of those first steps without feeling overwhelmed. All right, let's dive in. First, head over to squarespace.com. You can do this on any device, but I recommend using a laptop or desktop for the easiest editing experience later, especially when working with layouts, images, and menus. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right for the Get Started button, or sometimes you'll see a Start Free Trial option right in the middle of the screen. Go ahead and click that. It's your gateway into the Squarespace universe. Don't worry, you won't need a credit card, and nothing goes public until you decide to publish, which makes this completely risk-free for beginners. Squarespace wants to understand what kind of site you're imagining, so next, you'll see a simple prompt. What type of site do you want to create? There are several popular options: online store, portfolio, blog, business site, or personal website. Pick whatever fits your project best, whether it's showcasing your artwork, starting an online shop, promoting a service, or maybe even launching a blog for your travel stories. This choice helps Squarespace filter templates and features that match your goals, saving you time later. And remember, this isn't permanent. You can always adjust your site's direction as your ideas evolve. So just make your best guess and click Next. Now comes one of my favorite parts: choosing a template. Squarespace has a vast gallery of beautifully designed templates, organized by category and style, all of which are fully customizable. Take your time here and scroll through a few options. Think of templates like a house's blueprint. It sets the structure, but you control the decor. If you're a photographer or creative, you might be drawn to clean, image-focused designs. If you're planning an online shop, look for templates that emphasize product grids and checkout flow. When something catches your eye, click on its thumbnail to preview how it looks on desktop and mobile. And when you're ready, hit Start with Template Name. Instantly, Squarespace spins up a free trial site tailored to your template choice. Before you can start customizing, you'll be asked to log into your Squarespace account or create one if you're brand new. You've got flexible sign-in options, use your Google account, your Apple ID, or just set up a fresh account using any email and password you like. This step only takes a moment, and once you're signed in, you'll be dropped right into the editing dashboard. If you've ever used a drag-and-drop editor before, you'll feel right at home. This is your control center, where pages, design, and settings all live. Here's where the magic happens. You can now start personalizing your trial website any way you want. Swap out placeholder text and images for your own content so the site starts to reflect your brand or idea. Experiment with sections and blocks and play around with colors and fonts until you get the vibe just right. You can even add links to your social media profiles, set up pages like About, Shop, or Contact, and start organizing your navigation so visitors can easily find what they need. The platform saves your changes automatically as you work, which is a huge stress saver. No manual saving required. And if something doesn't look quite right, you can always undo or tweak it. That flexibility is one of the biggest advantages of working inside a free trial. Lastly, while you're in trial mode, your site will live at a URL like your name, squarespace.com. This is perfect for testing and sharing. You can send this link to friends, clients, or colleagues to get honest feedback on the design and layout before launching for real. Just keep in mind, until you choose a paid plan, your site won't be indexed by Google or visible to the public, so you can safely work behind the scenes without any pressure. That's it. Your Squarespace journey has officially begun. And then, if you found this step-by-step guide helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any Squarespace questions or if there's something specific you want to learn next. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss more tutorials designed to help you build, improve, and grow your online presence. Happy creating!